Congratulations on the purchase of your new Dp4 device. Let me help you set your pen up for use. Before commencing treatment, it is important to carefully read and acknowledge all safety warnings and operating instructions presented in your user manual. Once your batteries have received enough charge, you can begin to set up your new device. To set up your new Dp4, you'll first need to download and install the Dp4 app, then create your Dp4 account, add your clinic details, and lastly, register your Dp4. On the opening screen, tap Create New Account. On the Create Account screen, you will enter all your details. Enter in your first name, your last name, account email address, account password, confirm your account password, and confirm the privacy policy. Then tap Next. Enter in the clinic country, city name, clinic telephone number, and your company name, and then tap Next. You will receive an email to verify your email address. Once you have verified your email address, you will be able to log into the Dp4 app. Insert your fully charged battery into the back of the device and ensure your Dp4 is powered off. On the products page, tap the Register button in the top right-hand corner and select the clinic you wish to register your pen to. If Bluetooth is enabled, the screen will display the following. The app will then display the serial number of the Dp4 that is ready to be registered. The serial number can be found under the battery cover beside the battery. The device will go through a synchronization step and then a confirmation when syncing is complete. To power on your Dp4 device, press and hold the primary button until the Dp4 emits an audible tone. You can then adjust the speed indication ring and depth indication digits as required. And once ready, press the primary button once to activate treatment mode. Insert the drive ball end of the cartridge into the Dp4 and turn your cartridge a quarter turn clockwise to securely lock it in place. Roll the Dp4 protective sleeve down the entire device, ensuring complete coverage. You are now ready to begin your treatment.